Palm trees are really blowing in the breeze. Are you helping Dad? Good morning, everyone. We are still down here in Palm Springs. It was a pretty cold night last night, so I'm wearing a hoodie. We've got Lucas in a long sleeved and pants. Ew. We might be needing to pick up a toy drill because he treats it like it's his teddy bear. But look at that wind out here. There's Dad.
Hoodie in SoCal.
Right? It's pretty cold this morning.
Morning. See you in a little bit.
There's our view this morning. Some clouds in the sky. You can tell the palm trees are really blowing in the breeze. My favorite things about walking around the park is seeing all the flowers that are around here. This bush right here has some really pretty ones. I'll show you. That is pretty cool. He's up from his nap and just having a sandwich and some soup and juice. Is that nummy? He had a really long nap today. I'm pretty sure he was extra tired. Playing with that drill and having to squeeze the trigger is a lot of hard work. Huh, it's a pretty tough drill. It has been so blustery and windy outside. There's not a lot of great lighting because Micah's got masking on all the windows, and since he can't spray in this type of wind, he's just been working on brushing the trim out there. You helping Dad?
Thanks, man.
Oh, what did he do? Did he scrape some paint off? You're such a good helper.
You sure you don't want to use this?
It's looking really nice. There's some of the trim that he did today. Hello, Daddy? He has no fear. He thinks he can climb and help Dad. Oh, did you get it stuck in there? What did you do that for? We are getting ready for dinner and we are going to be going into town for it tonight. Lucas has brought us our shoes here, so I think he's pretty much ready to go. We just got to get ready. You ready, buddy? Alright, so we just got back from dinner, and while we were in town, we picked up this for Lucas. So I'm gonna take it in here and give it to him. I have something for you, little noodle. Oh, what is that?
What is it?
Watch this. Here. We'll get it out.
Yeah. You gotta put the bit so you can drill.
How cool is that, huh, buddy?
He's off.
Are you just loving that? Oh! Alright everyone, we're gonna end tonight's video here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye!
Bye.
What are you doing, buddy? Are you drilling down there? I could not find this anywhere, and it got stuck in this bush.